In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an email image using Gmail. Whether you're looking to add a professional touch to your emails or simply make your communication more interactive, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. Let's begin by opening Gmail and starting a new email. Go ahead and click on the Compose button, which is usually located in the top left corner of your Gmail window. This will open a new email draft where you can start creating your message. Now look for the insert photo icon. It's usually found at the bottom of the Compose window and it resembles a small landscape image. Clicking on this icon will allow you to add a photo to your email. Once you've clicked it, you'll see an option to upload a photo. So click on the Upload tab and then on Browse. This will open a dialog box where you can navigate through your computer files to select the image you want to insert. Choose your image and it will automatically be inserted into your email draft. After your image is in the email, the next step is to highlight it so that we can add a hyperlink. To do this, click and drag your mouse over the image. This action will highlight the photo, indicating that it's selected and ready for the hyperlinking process. Now direct your attention to the insert link icon. This icon typically looks like a small chain link and can be found in the toolbar of your Compose window. Click on it and you'll be prompted with a small dialog box to input or modify the link. You may see a pre-existing link. Simply click Change to edit it. In the link field, enter the URL of your choice. It could be a web page, a document, or any online resource you'd like to direct the recipient to when they click on the image. Ensure that the URL is correct and functional. This will help avoid any broken links for your recipients. Once you've entered the desired URL, click on Apply. This will officially set the hyperlink onto your image, making it interactive. Now, whenever someone clicks on this image within your email, they'll be directed to the link you've specified. Before sending, consider sending a test email to yourself to ensure that the hyperlink works as expected. And that's it, you've successfully hyperlinked an image in your Gmail email. Hyperlinking can be a powerful tool in emails, providing a seamless way for recipients to access content, from business promotions to educational resources. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.